Is Aqua Classic Credit Card really worth it? Well, let's get straight on to the video. With an initial credit limit of between £250 and £1,200 or dollars, Aqua's Classic Card could be an ideal solution if you are seeking to rebuild a bad credit score. So for representative example, at an assumed credit limit of £1,200, at a purchase rate of 37.9% per annum variable, the representative APR is 37.9% variable. Credit available subject to status as well. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Chance to build your way out of bad credit. You can apply through eligibility checker without affecting your credit score. You'll also get the app to support card management, text alerts when a payment is due, and potential to increase your allocated credit limit as well. Similarly, as for cons, representative APR of 37.9% could be offered APR as high as 49.9%, and also there is no any perks and there is 0% profit promotional offers as well. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.